Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, let's fight for the right to repair. Let's fix some devices. And we've got a hard drive, external hard drive from a customer. It should be wireless as well as the USB. So I've connected with USB. I can't see it. So we need to open it. I never opened this. It's a new stuff for me. It's a Seagate Wireless Plus, but it's useless if it can't be, used. The only problem is there's nowhere screws, nor the surface where you can, like tuck into, pry it or something. So I assume might be there are 4 legs, might be screw underneath. If I'm right, I don't know, but there's no user manual how to open this, and I'll double check, I'll Google, but I'll move to undergoing work at bookrepair.online.co.uk. Okay, the job is in action. So I'll pause, I'll Google it, and I'll tell you if you can remove these feet or no, if there will be any screws underneath. If there will be no, or there will be no information, we will try to do it anyway. We've got no other choice to be true. Okay guys, so I was right and I was wrong at the same time. Why? Because there's no 4, there will be 3 screws. So from the connector side, what I see is 1, 2 and 3. That's not a screw. Don't quote me unless you see what I'm doing and you will see me with removing that. But yeah, we get a screw and I've lost the pad, the foot. How I love to do it, guys, you've got no idea. Things can go sideways at any time and you need to be careful like 100% of the time when you deal with them. Let's get a mat. Okay, so that's the place, Let's get another 2. And how did I know about the feet? Well, I know because I've done other hard drives. So there are a few ways. Some of them are clickable, believe it or not, no screws whatsoever. And some of them you have to use screws. So are you curious if the last one will be screws or not? Will be a screw or not? Let's take it out as well. And no, no screw for real. So, well, I wanted to make sure, because you never know, maybe the video was about slightly different model or something, and I will be pulling, and when I will be pulling I'll damage something, so I was right. But anyways, that no harm done, because even if it would not hold back again, I can put a drop of a glue. So at least we know that for sure, yes? Now I won't be putting this under the scope, or I won't be putting it under the DSLR, because to be true, we need that hard drive out anyway. That's what we're aiming for. Where's my screwdriver? That's a regular PH, small size, like maybe not 000, but like PH1 or something, or something in between. So these 3 screws, and then it should be okay to open it. Oh no, can't slide it, we can't open it. What can we do? Should be able to pry it now. Reluctant. Let's get some pry tool. Okay. Maybe have some extra clips. It's really reluctant. No, you can't slide it in anyway, so I was right, you just need to pry it. Guys, I don't want to damage this enclosure to be true, and I've got open video, so it is tempting right now to just continue watching. I'll continue because that's not a long video. I'll continue, we'll see what this guy will do, because I'm quite curious and I don't want to damage the enclosure, you know, that if I wouldn't have the video I would go my old-fashioned way, but I really would like to keep this enclosure in a case that we can't even get the hard drive, but we can replace it and have some SSD inside or something. Yes, so let me watch it. Okay, so again I was right. But guy pulled the panel here as well, so that's what he opened first. And this model is slightly different, so that's why I wasn't sure if I can do it. Yeah, this is solid here on both sides, so his model is slightly different. It's still the same called Wireless Plus, but nothing. And then he's just prying, and if I'll break something, you know, we will have hard drive out anyway. But no, it's going. So the way I was doing was right. It just, I had this video, so I wanted to follow the video. And yeah, it is a slightly bit different model than his. Can't be perfectly preserved, unfortunately. Even with this plastic tool, you still leave tiny damage, and you can't avoid it. It's unless you're a magician. I'm not a magician. Okay, cool. So I really want the best for the customer, but sometimes the best doesn't mean don't damage something. Okay, nearly there. Last but not least, this side. Okay. It reminds me about the first time I was opening Xboxes. Whew, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, try to open an Xbox. Yeah, I can see that it is slightly different. Guy is like opening this side. No, actually this side, good, but there is a metal shield on this, yes, whereas here there is no metal shield. Okay, so the next process, if you've got a hard drive, which is, you know, not giving you the sound of life, is to trying to plug into another, like what it is, screwed in? No, it's just okay. You gotta take out these black thingies, okay, and now what I like to do is first I like to plug it in to my enclosure, or at least the connector and the USB, because sometimes it's turning out that this is faulty and not this is faulty, and I don't know. I can only guess because I plugged it in. I've seen only power on the Wi-Fi. I didn't see the power, just the regular power. So I don't know if the regular power needs to be in that or not, because I'm not a, you know, user of that. So either here or yes, here I get it. Okay, that's for USB 3, so that's okay. And now let's check it out. If we will have the hard drive live, okay, and it is. Seagate Wireless, open with File Manager, and we've got it. And I can only show you the Seagate Wireless, guys. I can't show you, unfortunately, anything else because there already will be something. I'll change the name, okay? I'll change. I don't want to show even customer's name, okay? And okay, I'll change it because I don't want to show even that data. So for me, the fault is not with the, oh sorry, I was window capture, no, desktop. Okay, I can show you the desktop, just share the desktop with you. Add a video capture, window capture, screen capture, that's okay. So I can show you. So hopefully you can see this this stuff here. Can you? Yes, you can. Okay, so you can see that it's called Seagate Wireless. I'll disconnect it again. Switch off. Data is disappearing. Yes. I'll plug it in. And this is showing. And we see everything, yes. So I can't show you the data, yes, because I'm already showing you a bit too much. So I can't show you, but you can see that, oh, that I'm frozen. Unfortunately, but we can call the day. I can copy the data for a customer, and if customer will want, we will fix it. If no, customer won't have a wireless adapter, they will have only the hard drive, and they can buy another external hard drive for themselves, yes, as a backup. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.